Hey, how's it going, everyone? Mark McInerney here with CodeMark Financial. Happy New Year to you, by the way, as well. Is your New Year's resolution to buy a house? If it is, let me give you a couple of websites that you might want to put in your favorites so that you can also research and dig up and look for some properties here. I imagine as user-friendly as HAR is, HAR.com, which is the most popular site anyway that most people use when looking for a house. As fantastic as it is, some of these homes that I'm getting ready to mention here aren't listed on there, and you might want to add this as what you do. Write this down: homepath.com, that's HOMEPATH.com, and then homesteps.com. Both of these are websites that are inventories of foreclosed homes from Fannie Mae. That's the HomePath, and then the HomeSteps is inventory of foreclosed homes for Freddie Mac. So what's the benefit of all of this? Well, first of all, if you're able to get a good deal on a house because of it being foreclosed, that's going to be the first incentive, of course. You can, buy a house that's worth more and then obviously pay considerably less. Secondly, because there's so many foreclosed homes, these two agencies, Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, have made the lending guidelines quite lenient, and then of course the incentives for kind of unloading and taking off some of this inventory from them with some nice bells and whistles and incentives. So I'm going to read to you here very quickly some of the details that some of my lenders have offered as far as this. First and foremost, let's talk about HomePath. On HomePath, there's no appraisal required. This is huge, okay? First of all, ordering an appraisal takes up maybe a week, maybe sometimes up to 2 weeks into biting into the loan process. So if you can waive not having to get the appraisal, well, that's huge. You're just right there. On a good note, you'll pick up 2 weeks in your loan process, which means you can close 2 weeks earlier. Furthermore, though, I can't tell you all the headaches. All my realtors that are watching, we all can account for and attest, to the headaches that we've had when appraisals haven't hit value. So here's a good thing, obviously, to make mention to your clients and to look for them too. No mortgage insurance. This is one of the biggest things, a couple of years ago when people were still doing combo loans, like an 80-15-5 or things like that. People were trying to avoid paying mortgage insurance because it's not necessarily a thing that is really all that necessary, but it's something that the lenders impose on buyers that put down less than 20%. Here you have no mortgage insurance, so you can take into account you'll save another $100, $150, maybe as much as a couple $100 a month now on the mortgage payment, so there'll be less. They approve condos. Again, this may not make sense to a lot of just the regular buyers out there, but to realtors this is huge as well. Condos are obviously very difficult to get approved sometimes with FHA and or conventional loans. The credit requirements are very lenient. On HomePath, here's an investor's dream, okay? First of all, you can buy these houses with as little as 5% down, and the minimum credit scores go as low as 660. But furthermore, for an investor, where you take them conventionally, they have to put down 20%. Well, here you go, 5% down, and then as well, they can have up to 10 houses on their credit report. So they can have 10 mortgages. Conventional is only 4. So anybody that is looking to take advantage of the low cost of housing now and purchasing some of these homes could really develop a nice size real estate investment portfolio. So I was talking about HomePath. On the other one here real quick, finally, on homesteps.com, I've found that there's not as much out there as there is in the HomePath, but by all means go to both. Take a look. You might find the one that you like on the other. But one of the things, or a few of the things here that HomeSteps offer is a free 2-year home warranty. This is huge, okay? Think about a warranty on a car in case anything goes wrong. Take it back to the dealership. Perfect. Home warranty, same thing. Anything goes wrong in the house, there you have, no problem. Appraisals also are waived, and then since they know that you're going in and trying to take advantage of the incentives that they're offering, they offer a 30% discount on new appliances, which also as well, if they're green and energy efficient, you can also get a tax write-off on this. So again, the idea is if you're looking to buy a house, this is a great way to do it. And of course, if I'm bringing this information to you, I'm telling you because I am an approved lender to be able to offer these loan programs. So if I can earn your business on this, I would love to be able to help you. Realtors, let me also make note that these websites give free listings to realtors. So if business is slow, this is a way to get your name out there, put your name in the yard, and start generating some leads for yourself. Give me a call. I'll help you with the loan. We'll knock it all out, obviously very quickly with the very minimum requirements. Mark McInerney, CodeMark Financial, 832-677-00. 7678. I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.